Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process of adding a recovery email to your ways to recover your Microsoft accounts in case you forgot your password. So to start, click on any browser of your choice on your computer, then in the address bar or the URL you type account.microsoft.com and click on sign in. Enter your email and password, then click on next. Enter password, click sign in. A window will pop up to verify your login. This I will choose an email to verify my login. So notification or a secret code will be sent to the email used to recover or verify your login to your Microsoft accounts. During the space bar, you type in the email that you use as a login email verify, then click on send code. So to access the security code, log into the email that you use. As I use Yahoo, so log into my Yahoo email and I go to my inbox. This is the secret code, so I copy it and I paste it to verify my login to have access to my Microsoft web portal. So there's my Microsoft web portal. So to add an email as your recovery email in case you forgot your password you used to recover, click on security tab. And sign in to the security tab and scroll through under advanced security option, click on get started. So this is the security option tab. So to add an email to my Microsoft account as my recovery to recover my mail, click on add and I choose email, the code, then I type the email that I want to use as my recovery or my alternative email address to my Microsoft account. Then I click on next. In this case, the verification code will be sent to that particular email that I use so that I can copy the verification code then to verify the email be added to my Microsoft account. This is the email, this is the security code, then I copy the security code and I paste it and I click on next. This will verify my alternative email that I'll use as my recovery email to recover Microsoft accounts. So now I've added the email to my Microsoft account as my recovery. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. clicking the bell icon. And for more information, under the description, click on link to the post to find more information on how you can add an alternative email or a recovery email to your Microsoft account, so that in case of any reset of password or recover your email, use that particular email to recover your Microsoft accounts. Thank you.